Hello everyone. Now I'm going to introduce a cross-platform 3D editor. It is applied such as 3D visualization display of products, virtual simulation, and digital twins. Especially in the fields of product design, product marketing, and industrial internet. Including the full life cycle display, maintenance, operation, pre-sale and after-sale of the product, etc. For instance, the prototype of the product design or the effect after its transformation. Quickly present it to the client, allowing users to participate in the design process and see the first-person perspective. Some controls can be built into this designer. Based on these controls, the design concept can be simulated. Then quickly present it to the user for viewing, enhancing communication efficiency and directly generating value. For instance, I added a cube and a light to form such a simple 3D prototype. Click Save, and then run it to view the current realistic simulation scene. Of course, this is a relatively simple demonstration, and the process is not complicated. If necessary, more and more complex real scenes can be displayed. Returning to the design process, if we are designing a prototype and some 3D scenes, it can be processed offline through advanced tools and can be imported. Conduct real simulation and modeling of parameters such as product structure, size, marking, color, and animation for rapid prototyping. For example, import a prototype design like a drone and then click Save. Then run and play. In this way, the design concept, prototype, and operational parameters can be quickly integrated both offline and online. And it is undifferentiated with realistic rendering simulation. A design tool that achieves consistency between the effect and the requirements. Okay, next, more related operations will be introduced. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you all.